Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors. The all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandai puli da ka education loan. Pila ruban chukol hau number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pran.
Jin bagi jemkai ka jingtho ka bangil ai kalang jar pun kana. Ask from him that how much time? I'll be having a meeting with him.
So within this week we want all the payments within this week. And he won't wait anymore.
Let the CEO clarify. If you talk like this, and then let the CEO clarify.
I just called the CEO.
Because he will say that, okay, give me 2-3 days, 4-5 days. The same thing will happen, sir. See, we also with the one and come to talk to you so many times regarding the same issue, sir.
Let me have a meeting with him. Clarify, I'll tell you what is the discussion.
Initiative, because you know, we have given you how many times our memorandum.
So long.
You have said that I have talked with the CEO. The CEO will take responsibility. Then why the CEO is still silent and then he is not taking any initiative, sir?
No, sir. CEO, sir,
if we take initiative, this thing won't happen, sir, today. We don't want to come and to gather here.
Time, sir.
We also, CEO, sir, is taking up this issue. Today, I just said, like I told you, he's having a meeting today also. Right now, I think meeting today itself.
Budget you have a meeting, sir, because we have came here, we have come here.
Today you have meeting, but all details you come to why there's no meeting. Why you don't talk about that then?
Like that.
How many times, sir?
But I assure you that payment will be cleared.
Have any fund for the election? Tell me that.
No, ma'am, funds are there.
Funds are there. Then where's the money for the election with the government, the central provides?
Yes.
Where's that money then? You answer me that.
No, ma'am, it does not happen like this.
What not happen like? You answer me that, sir.
I'm telling you, ma'am, it's not like this. Money.
The government, the central government, long time sanction for the way. Without the sanction, there'll be no election also. There'll be no election. Then where's that money? We want to when that answer. When that answer. And why other district got the money when we don't get? We want that answer.
Other districts are also having pending bills.
No, they don't have pending bills.
No,
I know everything.
They have.
I inquire everything. So we came to know everything.
If you inquire everything, please inquire why the is also not getting the
No, what is your duty? Your duty is here for
I
what?
do not have any funds to give you, ma'am.
You don't have any fund. Where's the fund? Where's the fund?
You do not have the funds to give
You
you.
don't have. Where's the fund with the government provides? That's we want to know, sir.
Sir, all the vehicles which goes for the police duty, it is already cleared.
Yeah, that is from the
From the
police.
police department.
Police department.
The police department is very fast, very speed in their work.
Yeah.
So why, which departments delay?
No, police have cleared the bills, I know. But you do one meeting, like, can give me 1 or 2 days. Let me have a meeting with CEO, sir, personally. And then I'll update you what happens in that.
Suppose if it will take time to clear our bills, means we all the driver we won't pay our tax to the government. We won't renew. Can you make you can assure
And
us?
the police are catching her every day for the tax.
Okay, I'll try to take it up with this transport department. That
Because
for review, this can be some exception can be
we
done.
wait for a few days, but if we are not getting our bill, money is also pending. We'll come and surrender all our vehicles and keep here in your compound.
I try to take it up with the transport.
No, we won't accept, sir. You have to clarify to us.
They won't
Exact when. We won't accept that when you talk, when you have the meeting. We are not accepting that.
That's why if you
Tell me that this is the thing that can be done.
No, because all the district, they got the money. How we don't get?
There are other districts also which are facing similar issues.
Why did
how can it
regarding
be,
our other
there will be a shortage of funds to our district? Why other district, the government take the initiative to pass the bill in other district? Why they don't take the initiative to pass the bill in our Riboi district?
No, it's not like Riboi district is like that. Other issues, other districts are also facing the same issue.
No, they don't face. They got the money.
We won't accept that. Most of the district will receive bill.
The by-election will have still there.
As Madam said, by-election bill
Even for the
also they
by-election,
receive.
By-election was held before election. That
No,
election,
after election, it's so
After
young.
election, the
that
by-election
is
is
a
after.
separate election. That for that,
Even then, election is election. So why separate election?
Because the central government has already sanctioned the funds.
We won't accept that.
That's
So we
why,
want
sir.
to clarify to the itself when you will pay.
ma'am, I cannot give you any.
You cannot, then we can.
Nongñiah kali kamai berkitrai kali ki badan hapok kalama jangka Joint Action Committee All Riboi Passenger Vehicle Association. Hakashitarik unailar arhata apulai kila turpat ba shaka office trekam jang Deputy Commissioner ke Riboi District nadu ka porman step Dawa ya ka Pisa ba ka sarkar ka Dayban Siu na ka jingshimwa ya ki kali kamai bala penankam hakapor election bat hakapor balang shop ka jingpang klam COVID-19. Daki kenta Nongñiah kali kamai kila abay kui banyo ekran bat Deputy Commissioner na kabanta Dawa ya la ka jong ka umsem ka ba kila ab kami lenti baro shikata bat ban panjing shine na Deputy Commissioner halor ka jing penslam man siu ya ka Pisa wat hadin balayay pensngaw na kapor syakapor. Nakalang jong Deputy Commissioner la penpa ba ka Pisa kampat poi satya bat ha ka juk kapor ulay thu bala de pensngaw ya ka ni ka jing Dawa jongki show Chief Electoral Officer jong ka sarkar jela.
So what we are trying to do is right now, within 15 days, we will clear some of the payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible. Okay. So
All the payments of COVID-19 under this election.
COVID-19 and Republic Day Independence Act will be done.
So we want that all the dues must be
Those
clear.
will be done. Those will also be done 15 days. And the election payments also partially we will try to do within 15 days only will be done. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
Suppose if within 15 days you won't receive, then what is the assurance from your side?
I'm giving you no assurance.
Suppose
Already
15
discussed
days.
with CEOs and Chief Secretaries, sir. I don't think all of them are already aware of the issue. So they will clear some of your payments.
Some, not all.
Ma'am, it will take some time. And within 15 days, we clear your payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
This is our request. If it is possible, sir, just talk with the CEO and the Chief Secretary that clear all the bills.
I'm having a meeting with them.
All the bills, once in a
No,
because
no, sir, we're not going
15
to
days
accept
will
that.
be, then some of the bills will
15 days, then again another bill.
again.
We won't accept that.
No, it will be done as soon as possible.
No,
So now, please.
empty. Kimla Arabanaisin
Let
I.
us clarify the driver, sir. Jai chua baro khatsan singi ngin am lada hapo khatsan singi ngin mio ngin simpat da kawai karai namar haner kamdon ni da bisa ngi happy ban am ngi hat ban am khatsan singi ngin am lada hapo khatsan singi ngin mio ngin simpat da kiwai patilat ngin yaki ke karena kalong ka bajai ngin sale pat da kawai
Then tawin sa nula ong bakatan si unclear kat mala ada hadin katan si sampai ong ukta.
Orang mau kita mau clear ni kacing Dawa cungi kedai ban pun clear lut ya kabil ka cungi ngin khatsan singi ngin am nilai Asia katis ngi ngin Asia khatsan singi lada ngimyo aku khatsan singi ngin sa simpat da kiwai patilat singi ki kampenya khatsan singi na kalian ngajungki ngin burom ya katangi kepat ya bi para bodak ni sutu gajing ya khatsan singi kilaong to ngin hat kata khatsan singi ngin hat kata khatsan singi adun khatsan singi ngin le ke
Bisa aja ulun nak ano na.
bisa
Kenapa?
bisa They want within 15 days all the dues must be cleared.
So within 15 days, we'll try to clear as much as possible.
Because they are not satisfied. If you said you will try, then
No, 15 days we will give you some partially payment as much as possible. Remaining payments will take a little bit more time. See, I have already told you
they are not happy.
the whole process that to be followed up. Government process.
We already waiting enough time.
We have received assurance from CEO Secretary Please humbly request you, do not disturb the public office. People are coming here for their things long time. So I have given you an assurance. I understand your problem, but I have given you assurance that within 15 days we will try to clear payment partially. After that, also we will clear. Everyone is in the loop. Everyone knows. Everyone is aware of the issue. Okay, and they will clear your payments. I'm just asking you for 15 days. Within 15 days, this is my assurance. They will clear your payments partially. Remaining payment will be done immediately soon after that. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So now I humbly appeal all of you, kindly do not disturb the office. It's a public office. 15 days of time I'm asking from you. Kindly, please, it's an humble appeal. People come to this office from a long, cover a lot of distance, spend a lot for their work to be done in the DC office. Okay, this is not the right way.
We understand.
Just for 1 day, sir.
All our
Just for 1
drivers
day.
also, they are coming from a very long way.
Yes, I understand.
Just for 1 day.
See, I understand, but this
They
is
have
what...
lost just to stop our
Yes,
vehicles.
I
One
know.
day also it's a
I
great
know.
loss.
I know this. I'm asking you for 15 days and clear your payments partially in 15 days. I have got this assurance from the CEO sir, from Chief Secretary sir. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. The whole process of the funds and all that I've already explained it.
Okay, sir, then try from your side to clear all the bills.
All the bills, sir. Within 15 days, clear all the bills.
Also,
Then you keep
they
quiet.
won't clear it. Then they must take full responsibility if something will happen. Because we also want to say it clearly in front of the people. Let also they will know.
I'm having a meeting with both of them tomorrow. We discuss in detail. In 15 days we'll clear some of the payments. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
As soon as when we do it, sir.
Now please I request you, kindly
No, we
this
will not
office
accept
function
that.
properly.
Okay, we will not accept that one. If you clear within 15 days, then only. Otherwise, some will get, some don't get, then for them, then you will be keep quiet again. Another 15 days, 1 month.
If you clear the bill partially, also make sure that all the vehicles will get all the vehicles. Because if one vehicle will get another, they will not get, then they will create an issue.
I'll try to raise up
Make
your
sure
other
that
department also.
all the vehicles, according to list of requisition, that all the vehicles gets renewals. So that the main issue is that because we are waiting this COVID-19 bill, then the election bill also there. So it's make us very sad, sir.
Okay, so your COVID-19 bills, also I'll take it up, but Republic Day Independence, it is from our office only. I was not aware of this, extent of this issue. So I will definitely be clear it up. Just give me 2-3 days.
Okay, sir, how many days will take time to clear our bills?
For Independence Day bill and Republic Day bill, which are from our office, it will be cleared as well.
Because last time also we have talked with you, then the same answer only from your side, that 2-3 days. But sir, now 2-3 days, months will go, years will go. Then we also will feel very difficult, sir, to make understand our drivers.
Yes, I understand that this. Especially regarding COVID bills and other smaller bills which are there, has been a considerable delay. But actually I was not completely aware of this issue. This is from our office only that will be clear. Elections will also, like I've been assured, that it will be clear as soon.
Because this is the first time in the history of Liboy for delaying the election bill. So you want clearly to know
So elections will...
why this year it's happened like this.
Right. I understand there is a considerable delay. But like I said, normally it happens. Certain bills are cleared after some point of time only. There are certain bills, certain expenses during elections which come at the last moment, last moment, that we do not take into account when we are not able to take into account when we are planning. That is why there are always certain bills which remain pending. But generally, what happens is it is cleared out. It is cleared after some delay, 4 and 5 months. Problem is that I understand that our driver members of the association, all our friends here, they are facing a lot of issues because you have helped us a lot in during our elections. And now that it's our part that we have to clear our payments now. So I'm working upon it, and I'm just assuring you that whatever bills will be pending, all will be clear.
But when, sir? We want to know when.
Ma'am, it is very difficult to give you a particular timeline because there are so many people who are there, and these meetings will be held, and so many people are
What
there.
meeting so long now, sir? When is election,
Ma'am,
sir?
this will be, I
From
understand,
February, this is August, sir.
but yes, ma'am.
And
But,
then one thing, sir. See, all the district, the Jaintia, the East Khasi Hill, the West Khasi Hill, all the bills they're clear. Even the by-election already paid. Why? What about the revoy? Why work for the revoy? That's we want to know.
Yes, ma'am.
No, we won't accept that what you said, sir. Because we have come to you also. I have come personally for the COVID bill, for the election bill. But you didn't give us the clear answer. You said 1 week, and then you after that, then you said 10 days, then 1 month. We won't accept that. So we'll say when we'll receive the money, then when we'll have, then we'll have to talk. Now you'll talk about it. Long time you should have talked.
Ma'am, I'm telling you
sir.
16 only.
No, we won't accept that, sir.
But
We
I cannot give you any timeline.
See, sir, this is what is this? This is life. This is our life. We earn money from here. We eat from here. We provide for the house for the family with this money, and you're doing us like we are.
Ma'am, it's not as if I am not paying your bills.
We won't accept that. You say that we'll have the
election
meeting. No,
bill
we won't
is
accept that.
already sanctioned before the election only from the central government. The money is already sent to the state government. Then why the state government till
Why
now?
the
Till
other
date,
district got?
For Revoi district, the funds which were allocated have been completely utilized. State election department, the CEO office, whatever funds they had, they've already utilized during elections. So we do not have any funds. That is why we have to go for additional sanction of funds. Once we get the additional sanction of funds only, then we will receive the payment, then we will give you payment. As of now, the district is not having any payments, any amount in this fund to clear.
Why the other district they got?
But from this last
No, balik kita
past
district
months,
yo.
so many times we come and talk.
Why for the by-election
From
they
the
got?
office didn't take a very strong initiative.
Yeah, I know. We have had several meetings regarding this earlier also. Come to me 2-3 times, I assured you. Today right now also I have discussed with CEOs. I was having a call with him. And he's assured me that today only they are having a meeting with me regarding the budget. And to all your members also I would like to tell you that you have raised up this issue a lot of times. And every time I told you that try to clear your payments. So I'll tell you this issue has happened because see the funds which we received, they were not sufficient enough, and we have asked for additional funds from the CEO office also. Like I've told you earlier also, it's a long-term process. It will take some time because the file has to go to the finance for allocation or additional budget and allotment will happen and funds will come. So just now also I had a discussion with CEO sir, and CEO sir has assured me that all the people who are there are in the process of getting the additional funds. So they are taking it up very expeditiously, and I give you my assurance as per the discussion with the CEO sir that your payments will be cleared very soon, and whoever is there in the all the stakeholders who are there in the line of command, so they are all aware of that issue. There are several other districts also who are facing similar kind of issues, so the CEO office is taking it up. As and when we will receive the funds, the payments will be cleared as quickly as possible.